Bonjour, Kaknauyag, Bruce Beauty here. So I would like to introduce a couple of commands here. One of them is to bring, and the other one is to place down. Okay, what I mean by that is, to put something down on the table or on desk or something like that. But I prefer to use to place down rather than to put down because it can have an ambiguous meaning for that. So, for example, this mouse here, I'm putting it down on the desk, okay, or placing it down. So there's inanimate and animate versions, okay, non-living and living things. Okay, so there's got to be an agreement that happens, especially when you're asking for specific items or nouns that relates to that. Okay, so the first one here is inanimate. For inanimate, bidon is a singular form, bring something, just one thing. Bidonan is more than one. For animate version is bij, something that is alive, one thing, and bijik is more than one. And you'll see the asterisk here. So bijik refers to actually is a younger generation version of it, whereas bijik is the older version. I use both of them when I speak to the elders, older generation of the speakers of the language. Then I will use bijik. Whereas this is the shorter version, bijik. It means the same thing, and this is where the language shift happens as well. And I believe I've talked about the language shift before. So this is one of the evidence of what is happening. So the other one is to place down or to put down, not to murder something, but to place down. And there's also inanimate and animate versions. So aton is to put something down, that is non-living. Atonan is a plural version of it, plural form, more than one. For the animate side, ase and asek. Okay, so we'll build on this in the next videos that are going to be coming. I'm not sure. I don't think it's going to be the next one because I would like to look at the numbers again that will relate to living and non-living things. Okay, numbers, as I mentioned before, can be living and non-living, and I'll talk about that in the future videos. Amigos, for now, thanks for listening.